The government is putting public spending under the microscope with the launch of the Budget ng Bayan Monitor, a comprehensive review covering more than 300 agencies. The goal? To track how effectively taxpayers' money is being used. While some agencies scored high in performance, others, including several state universities, continue to struggle without budget utilization and accountability. Sujin Kim has the details.
It is the government's assurance to the people that their taxes are safeguarded, accounted for, and converted into services that uplift lives.
The Budget ng Bayan Monitor, or the new BBM project, where more than 300 government departments and agencies were reviewed and ranked as top or worst performers based on how they utilize their budgets.
Citizens today expect more transparency, faster services, and tangible results.
Among the agencies that scored a perfect 5 out of 5 were the Philippine Information Agency, Games and Amusements Board, and the National Wages and Productivity Commission, with the Civil Service Commission as the first placer.
We have only 1,300 personnel, and taking into consideration our budget na napaka-liit kung tutuusin. Making sure that every centavo na ibibigay sa bawat opisina ay magagastos namin.
However, not all agencies measured up to expectations. Some of the lowest scoring institutions were found at the very center of government operations. Even several state universities and colleges struggled with budget utilization, recording some of the lowest scores in the review.
Bakit po nagkakaproblema yung ba? So tingin natin po, yung mas magagandang mga proyekto na nagdi-deliver po ng results, yun po yung tutukan natin at i-replicate.
Undersecretary Ronaldo Toledo explains the underutilization was largely due to delays in procurement. Even the Bureau of Customs and the Commission on Higher Education received unsatisfactory marks in the Budget Monitor.
Kung yung ang ahensya po natin hindi nagde-deliver ng results, baka matamaan po yung mga results na gusto natin sa Philippine Development Plan.
Secretary Pangandaman stressed that future allocations will depend heavily on absorptive capacity.
Gano'n naman na nangyayari. Binababaan talaga natin, binabawasan natin yung budget ng mga ahensya.
Moving forward, the Budget Monitor will not only check fund utilization, but will also begin to assess the actual implementation of big-ticket projects, making performance and accountability even more central to the budget process. Sujin Kim, Billionaire News Channel.